Okay, so this is my newest acquisition right now. Just got it today, and I want to get it open so I can start using this guy. Aha, it's a G-Shock. Okay, there's nothing else. This is my first Casio since I'm basically like maybe 12, 13. I haven't had a Casio. My channel logo actually has a ticking Casio on it, so I figured might as well have a Casio on the channel. Never actually owned, I did own a couple of Casios, more simple ones, and I think it's something that kind of resembled like a current world timer, like square, kind of rectangular watch, but I've never owned a G-Shock. So I thought, hey, let's get a G-Shock, and let's check it out, see what it's all about. I mean, these things are, everybody raves about these things. Cool. All right, wow. Huh, it's already set. So this is a multi-band watch which syncs with atomic clocks. I think it's like once per day, and this is done automatically in the background. I was thinking, you know, if I'm gonna buy a G-Shock, might as well get like one of the better ones. I haven't had a resin band, and since I had a Casio the last time. It's very light. It's like my first impression, super light. Actually smaller than I thought. I mean, this is it next to, it's definitely bigger than this is my 43-inch Javril diver watch, but not terribly big. I like it's got a nice metal buckle. I remember having Casios back in the day and the buckle was still plastic. So let's undo this thing real quick. Oh man, this is really bringing me back. This is like, here we got the G-Shock shock resist. So I guess one of the stories of the G-Shock is that they're engineered to take a minimum amount of 13 Gs, I'm gonna say. This is how it looks. This is 43 millimeters. Honestly, doesn't look that much bigger. I mean, obviously it's thicker. But yeah, let me put it on my wrist, see how it looks. You know, I gotta say, this is really bringing me back. What a trip. This thing, my initial impressions is this is super comfortable. It probably has to do with how light it is. But yeah, again, I have a 7¼ wrist, and that's how it fits. And honestly, I think it's the perfect size for me. I'm really happy. Well, anyway, I'm gonna wear it a while and, you know, really get used to it, learn how to use it, and I'll come back with a full review. If you have any questions about the watch, feel free to leave them in the comments. It really helps the channel a lot if you can like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.